Hi guys, how are you? It's your boy HTM Unlock Server. I'm back with another one. So today I have an iPhone 6s. I bought this iPhone, and then the person who sold it to me told me that the phone it was just stuck on the boot loop, so on the Apple logo, so it wasn't turning on totally. So I bought it from him, and then I said no, I will restore it. I will try to restore it. Don't worry. So as you can see, I already downloaded the firmware, the flash file. So yeah, I've tried it. Before, and then it was just saying waiting for NAND. So it was stuck on 20% when I'm busy trying to flash, as you can see now. So but then I opened the phone and then tried to remove the battery, and then I put it back. From there the phone passed the 20% until 60%, then it stuck on 60%. I was using 3U tool, as you can see. So now it was on 20, you see. It's stuck here. I have to check and replug it again. So yeah, let's watch the video and see what's happening, guys.